Hello and welcome to our channel. So today we are going to see how can we send email with the options. So here is our scenario. If a case has been resolved and so a email with the option of satisfaction level of the customer will be sent to the customer, which in this case is Shan Srivastav. So we will go to our Outlook. There is an email has come. If you open our email, so as you can see here, how satisfied are you with the resolution of your case component wear and tear, which is our case title. And let's suppose our customer rate is as neutral. So what will happen? A feedback record will be created in our CRM with this comment as neutral. So we will check that also. So we will open our advanced find here, and for the feedback table we will check. So here you can see that Shant Srivastava, our customer, has rated service, and here as you can see is resolved. Comment is neutral. Maximum rating we can set it in our Power Automate flow. So how can we configure it via power in our Power Automate flow? We are going to see it in this video. For that, we will go to our solution. So this is our solution. We are going to create our Power Automate flow. Click on New. Click on Automation. Same thing, automated. Click on Skip and search for Dataverse. So here you can see when a row is added, modified or deleted. Change type should be modified only. Table name is cases. Scope is I'm setting as organization. And filter rows state codes should be equal to 1. So our flow will only trigger when stored code when status of that case is turns to resolved. And the next thing what we need to do, we need to get the email of the contacts. For that we will use a get a row by id. The table should be contact. A row id we will get from this step. Search for value. Customer value is this, and now click on new step. So here we are going to use our action to send an option. So that search for email, and then select this Office 365 Outlook, and here you can see the action send email with option. So here you can see send email with option. Select this. So now we will configure this whom to we send this email. So in our case we are going to send this survey email to our contact, and subject. Now the title of case, please rate our service. And now in the user option, you can select any option right now, just like maybe satisfied and all. But demo I have already created some option, which is this. Select this, and I'm copying it here. You could select whatever option you want to give your customer, and now click on show advanced option. So here you could just like in the starting I have shown you that there was no HTML message was shown. So you could leave it as no no no, or you could change it also. I'm going to show you in the later part of video what these option will do. And then the next step would come, which is control, and here we will use switch case. So on satisfaction, select option, and here if the selected option is first, just like excellent, so then we will create record on feedback table. Select feedback. The comment we will configure like this. And the next thing should be with like regarding contacts. So we'll select this. This is a lookup field, and the title with case title is resolved. And if you want to set any other values in our feedback record, you could set it from here. Same thing we are going to do with the all other values that we are getting from our customer feedback. And now just we need to save this flow, so just give it a good name and now save. So our Power Automate flow has been saved. It's always good to rename all the action that you have used in a flow, but just because of the tutorial purpose, I haven't renamed it. And now what we can do, we can test it. Click on test manually, save and test, and go to our case and open a case which the customer is also Shan Srivastav, and we will resolve. Click on resolve this case. So product been set up. Click on resolve. So our flow should run, and an email should be sent to our Outlook email inbox. So now as you can see that flow is running, and this flow will wait until a customer response is sent back to the flow. So for that we need to go to our Outlook. So here you can see that we have received an email, and if we open the email, so here you can see that customer could select this option or this option also. Why these two types of options are coming? I'm going to show you. Just if we select this like good, so here we can see that it has opened this thank you response in a separate tab. So why it is happening? Let's go back to our flow first. So as you can see that email response has been sent after 6 minutes, and as you can see that it has switch case has come to our case number two, which is equals to good. And if you open this, click on edit and open this. So here you can see hide HTML message is no, show HTML confirmation dialog is also no, and hide Microsoft footer is also no. So we didn't hide Microsoft footer. We hide the HTML confirmation dialog and hide the HTML message. So the part we are seeing here like this, we can hide it while configuring our Power Automate flow. So what for that, what we have to do, hide HTML message. That was a HTML message. If we select yes, so that HTML message won't be seen there. And show HTML confirmation dialog is no, which is good. Hide Microsoft footer is also no. If we now save it and test our flow, so we would see different kind of email. Now check it. Now open our email. If you open it, so here you can see that there is no HTML message is coming down. And before this mail, we could see that HTML mail was also there. So we have hide that in our configuration of Power Automate Flow, and it will work the same. If you select this, it will send back to a response to a Power Automate Flow, and Power Automate Flow will run according to it. It will go to switch case number 4, which is poor, this one. Okay, so we can check it also in our feedback table. If you open our feedback table here, advanced find, click on result. So here we can see first when I was checking, I give it as good. So this record has been created, and after it when I give it to poor, so this record has been created. Okay, so that's it for my video. If you find our video informative, please like and subscribe and leave your comment below.